Okay, this is another congruency rule. Here we have the side angle side rule. So in this case, we're going to start with a side, and I'll try and make it a bit neater. So here we have a 10 centimeter side. So 10 centimeter side. Now I want an angle. So I'm going to mark my vertex nice and large here. Let's make an angle. What's a good angle?
90.
90 is too predictable. There's my 60. I'm going to connect my 60. I'm going to draw that way out there. Doesn't matter, when you have a line going off an angle, it doesn't matter where you draw it. Here's 60-degree angle. And now a side. I'm going to mark this vertex end as well. So this is 10, that's fixed. That's 60. And let's choose 8 centimeters as my side length, which means I have to stop right there. And this is my 8 centimeter side. Notice, once I do that, if I take a side and another side and define the angle between them, my two vertexes are there. I can't move these sides. If I move one of these sides, it's going to change the angle. I've been told it's 60-degree angle. So there's only one way to close this triangle, and that's by connecting the remaining two vertices. That's the only way. That's why the side angle side root is so easy. So again, we can create another one. I'll do it maybe only a little bit sideways. Let's start with the 8 centimeter side this side. So I've got an 8 centimeter side. I'm going to mark my vertices nice and large. Here's my 8 centimeter side. Now on that 8 centimeter side, I have to have a 60-degree angle. Let's put it up way over here. There's my 60. There's my 60. Now it's got to be 8, then 60, and this side now has to be the 10 because it's side, angle, side. Not side, angle, and then this side way over here. It's the side that's touching the angle it's the two sides that are touching the one angle that are basically forming the angle. And this side is 10 centimeters, which is right there. So there's 10 cm. And notice, we're in the same situation. I have to block that off. Let's measure this last side here. It's now 9.2. And let's hazard a guess that this will probably also be 9.2. It is. So they're the same. Okay, so these are going to be congruent. If I measure the angles, they would be the same as well. Now, how do we write it down? So we have to label our vertices. So A, B, C, D, E, F. So, side, angle, side. So my side, I know I'm going to start with a side, then I'm going to have an angle, then I'm going to have a side, and I know my rule is going to be the side, angle, side rule. I need those 4 lines here. So my first side, I'll call AB. So AB from my left triangle is equal to which side on my right triangle? Put your hand up if you know. AB is equal to which side? Yes. DF. DF is 9.2. EF. Now, yes, it is equal to EF as 10 centimeters, but that's not the right way to write it down. Why not? AB, EF. How should we write down? Not EF, but... Yes, why should we be writing down FE? Why does it matter? Yes.
Because, like, for example, like the 60-degree angle is kind of like on the B.
That's right.
Vertice.
That's right.
And the E is also like on the 60.
That's right. Exactly. So we go from A to B, which has the 60-degree angle. The B has the 60-degree angle, and the E has the 60-degree angle. So we have to go in the same direction. AB equals FE. Then we need an angle. So angle B, that's the easy one here, equals angle E. They're both 60 degrees. And then our final side, let's do BC. And what is BC equal to on this? So BC, starting at the 60 degrees. What's that going to be equal to? BC equals, yes? Sorry? E, that's right, starting at the 60 degrees. ED. And then we would write, so that's our side, I'm a bit misaligned here. So we would say, therefore, what would we say? Therefore, triangle, yep, ABC is congruent to triangle. This is the trick. Which one? Yep. Yeah, that's right. FED. Because A corresponds to F, B corresponds to E, and C corresponds to D. Okay? And that's the side angle side rule. So I'm just write that up here. Side angle side. So anytime you have two sides and the angle between them is the same, boom, you have a congruent triangle.